Hello, hello sa lahat. Nandito sa aking live stream. Hello, Doc Lloydie Ben. Dito na naman siya. Maingay ba? Hey Sean, thank you for coming. Maingay? Sorry. Yan, okay na ba? Hindi na ba maingay? Hello, Sherjam. Sherjam is in the house. Sean Smith is also in the house. Thank you for coming. Don't forget to hit the like button. Smash it. Ano ba pwedeng panoorin dito? BK Monzito says, hello, hello Pogi. Yes. Thank you. Hi everyone from BK Monzito. Yes, everyone is already here. Got thank you sa apat na nandito. Hey BK from Sean Smith. Yes, BK is here. Sherjam, hello to all. Hello, hello from Edna Patigayon. Yes, thank you for coming here. How are you, Christoy from Sean Smith? Doing good. I'm just doing this live stream to pull my watch hours. The watch hours really it's still low. How about you? How's your watch hours? Manggagawang Pinoy is in the house. Thank you for coming. Nandito si Manggagawang Pinoy sa ating bahay. Makikichismis. Ayan. Salamat sa ating 5 viewers right now at sa 5 pa-thumbs up dyan. Thank you. Marami po talagang salamat. Yan. Kung may tanong po kayo, don't hesitate to ask me. I will answer it. Ayan, si Manggagawang Pinoy, Sean Smith, BK Monzito. Ayan, shout out to you guys. Sean Smith, that's good. Yes. From Sean Smith, hi Pinoy. Yes. If you're not yet friends with Sean Smith, Manggagawang Pinoy, go to Sean Smith's castle. I'm okay, Christor. Yes, I'm glad that you're okay. Sean, where are you from? From Manggagawang Pinoy. We now have 9 viewers. Thank you for coming. Hi, Nida Sherry. Yes. Ayan, magtapikan na kayo kung hindi pa kayo magkapit-bahay. Ubusin yung pagkain sa mga bahay ng isa't isa. Ayun. Excuse me. El Bonita is in the house, guys. So, sa mga hindi pa friends ni El Bonita, puntahan nyo din siya sa bahay niya. Don't forget to hit and smash everything. Make sure it counts, okay? Thank you for our 7 likes in the house. Good eve. Good eve sa lahat. Good evening talaga sa lahat ng tao na nandirito sa ating live stream. Sean Smith is from Clinton, Mississippi. From BK Monzito says, hello Sean. Hey Nida. From Sean Smith. Nandito na si Shake na daw. Shake. Who else here has Shopee? Sino naglalaro ng Shake sa Shopee? How often do you shop online? Shake, 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 shake. Time's up. Ooh, I only got 4 coins. 4 coins lang. I'm glad that you're here, Sean. Thank you. You're always here to support me. Thank you. I'm watching here a vlog made by my friend. It's here. Let me play this. He told me it's his first vlog. So let's try to check it out. Bro, musta man ka? I'm doing good. Thank you. I'm just looking or watching this vlog. It's a vlog from of my friend. It's a vlog of it's his first vlog ever made. Thank you so much, Sean, for smashing that like button. It's from Anjo World. Ingon niya, first daw niya na vlog. So, let's try to check it out. Mm. I haven't been here, but I purchased. Ooh. There.
Hello, netizen. Hello, everyone. Welcome to my vlog with my boyfriend. Say hi to everyone. To my followers and subscribers. Hi, followers. Yes, guys, we're going to Andrew's World.
Wow, they have a t-shirt.
Yes, we're going to Andrew's World. Our family.
Did they purchase this? I'm not sure.
One of our fans. Say hi. Oh, di ba? Au ka, Yes, Susi, uy. Hi. Renat. Say hi, uy.
Say hi, Oi.
Kita-kita sa kantuhan sa Anxious World and kita na kung sa mga ride ka sa mga happenings sa mga public.
I already purchased a ticket from ITF. I haven't been there yet. Maybe I'll go there this coming November. Angel World is located in Minglanilla, I believe. He already has like a watermark over there. That's good. They have a roller coaster there. It's like a theme park, by the way. Andrew World. They also have like a snow world. It's the first, I believe it's first ever in Cebu, Cebu, Philippines. This is cool. Oh, there you go. This is his account. Please support my friend. Nothing Tagalog daw. Hold on. It's called Angel World. Oh. Very, very nice. Yes, it's very nice. I hope you can come here, Sean. You can visit Cebu. It's a theme park. It's Angel World. So please guys watch. There. Thank you, man. Rodell is in the house, so yeah. I'm currently watching your video right now. It's here. I haven't been to Anjo World, right? So soon this November. I purchased a ticket or like day passes, something like that, from ITF. So soon I'll go there. Rodel John Batumalaki is my friend. Here, he's from Balamban also. Balamban, Cebu. So please check out his channel also. This is his first vlog. So let's just support each other. Asan ni dapit Rodel, kailangan mag of t-shirt or where did you buy the shirt? Did they give it for free included sa package or you need to purchase it? That's Rodel. Okay, BK Manzito. Guys, if you have questions, please don't hesitate to drop them at the comment section below. Okay. Montiago is in the house. So, thank you for coming by, Mon. If you're not yet friends with Rodel John Batumalaki, Rodel John Batumalaki is a new YouTuber. So please let's support each other. Sean, you can check. There. There. Ritual. There. Alright. No problem, Rodel. You already have 244 views. That's good. The outside world. Guys, please support Rodel John Bato Malaki. His channel. So this is a family day, family outing, something like that, with unlimited rides at Anju World. This is cool. I might do another or a vlog the same as Rodel's vlog, because I purchased um, uh, tickets to Anju World. Sure, Mon, no problem. Laag ta tanan. Mga laagan man ta. Anytime. Dako kaya yang cotton candy. Layo mo, bro. Eh, bakit san ka ba ngayon, Sir Mon? Mon Santiago. Pampanga. Ay, malayo nga. May parang safari, may safari, dun ba yun sa Zamboanga, Pampanga yung merong parang safari or parang uh, zoo or something? There. Ayun. So, natapos natin panoorin ang first vlog ever made by yun, Subic Safari. Yes. 'Di ba maganda doon? Rodel, ang t-shirt ninyo ba, kanikigamit ninyo na t-shirt? Diin mo nag-purchase ana dito rasad? Or somewhere else? Nagpabuhat ra mo or may supplier. Okay. So, kailangan sa inyo lang tong sa family day lang to ninyo. Kamukha mo lang pabuhat. Wow, kanindot oy. Yes. Zambales na yon, bro. Okay. Hindi pala yon sa sa Pampanga. Pero malapit lang sa Pampanga or malayo. Yes, camera. So I really thought na ay t-shirt dito sa Anjo World na ato ba. So dili di ay okay. Yes, malapit lang. 1 hour ang biyahe. I see. So yun, malapit lang pala. Very nice. Laban. Yes, laban lang siya taan eh. Kay kung mag-vlog ka, naa sa vlogging ang kwarta. Extra income pod. Kitsa pa mo nahibaw diri taga Balamban nga nag-vlog Rodel. Taga Balamban sa kay mag-collab ta nila. Hello, walang iwanan. Yes, nandito na pala si Ate Shi. Yan. Kung hindi nyo pa friends si Ate Shi, puntahan nyo yung bahay niya, manood kayo ng mga ilang minuto ng mga posts niya, mga uploads. Tapos, mag-iwan ng comments para balikan din kayo agad. Ayan. I think pixelated yung cam ko. Not sure. Pixelated ba? Ayan. Nangaaway na yung aso namin. Sabi niya, aw, aw. Aw, 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 aw. Kapit lang, sabi ni BK Monzito. Yes. Dapat lang talaga. Ganon. Para ayun, meron ng 72 subscribers. See? 72 subscribers na si Rodel. Tapos, dumami pa ng dumami ang kanyang ganito nga yung gawin natin. Be? Pag thank you sa ating 12 thumbs ups. Nandito na pala si Ma'am Jem Lahera. Yes, thank you. Thank you for coming. Salamat po. Jem Lahera, shout out sa iyo. Kung hindi nyo pa friend tong si Jem Lahera, puntahan nyo na siya sa bahay niya. Tapikin lahat ng pwedeng tapikin. Ayun. And let's support, we also have this new YouTuber. Ang pangalan po niya ay Rodel John Bato Malaki. Nag-post na siya just now or minutes ago, a day ago ng first niya na post. So please support his channel. Isa pa lang yung na-upload niya, so alam ko marami pa yang ma-upload si Rodel. Mahilig din yan sa mga beach, mga ganun. Ayun. Promote RJ. Okay, RJ Dagapioso YT channel. Okay, so copyright? Bakit ako maka-copyright, Ma'am Jem? Pag nag-promote ako ng channel, ganun pala yon. Nice one, bro. Yes. Ma'am Jem Lahera, pag nag-promote ba ako ng channel, ganun ba yung mangyayari? Ma-copyright? Hindi ko yan alam. Marami pang, marami kasing rules sa YouTube. Isang pagkahaba-habang listahan ng mga rules. So, we need to make sure na hindi tayo masabit. Hello, BK Monzito from Jem Lahera. Ayun. Ayun, nandito na si Pinoy in Egypt. Ayun. Pa-shoutout po. Pinoy is in Egypt is in the house, guys. Sa mga hindi pa natapikan or hindi nakatapik kay Pinoy in Egypt, tapikan nyo na siya. Puntahan nyo na yung bahay niya. Hi, Ma'am Jem from BK Monzito. Hi, Pinoy in Egypt from BK Monzito. Ayan. Guys, 40 minutes na akong naka LS. Ma'am Jem, ano po yung sinabi mo, baka mag-CPR ako? Enlighten mo naman ako. Marami pa akong hindi alam dito. Pinoy in Egypt. BK Monzito, galing ako sa bahay mo. Walang tao eh. Wala daw tao sa bahay mo, BK Monzito. Bakit walang tao? Walang post. Parang wala. Hindi pa siya nagsistart yata. Parang hindi pa siya nagsistart. Ayun, marami na palang mga post itong si RJ Dagapioso. Yes. After LS daw, sabi ni BK Monzito. Thank you po sa ating 7 na viewers. Pinoy in Egypt. But anyway, okay, copy na kita. Pabalik na lang. O, balikan mo na lang daw siya, BK Monzito. Nasaan na ba yun si Jem Lahera? Hindi pa niya sinasagot yung tanong ko. Ano yung sabi niya na baka ma-copyright daw ako. Thank you po sa ating 7 viewers. I really appreciate it. Tapos meron pa tayong 18 na thumbs up. Thank you po talaga sa inyong suporta. May mga katanungan ba kayo or anything? Just feel free to drop any of your comments. Guys, may mga katanungan ba kayo? Pwede nyo akong tanungin anything you want. Nagdanga lang ako. I want. Excuse me. Ayun, may background sounds pa tayo. Ang galing, di ba? Probinsya feels. Ayun. Pala.
₱500 worth of gas, kaya mo nang bumili ng kape kahit saan. Get the chance to win Sea Oil's lifetime free gas. Experience the journey of a lifetime. Join Sea Oil's lifetime free gas. Oh my
Ooh, free.
gas promo. Visit lifetimefreegas.com for more details.
Lifetime. Kanaysa. Saan, ano po yung nice? Unsay nice BK Monzito? Sa LS? Just watching. I want TV. may ako pa sino ang may sala. Wala daw. Loading lang ng internet. Nangyari. Hala, talaga to sila. Ooh. Mm.
Hirap pala mag-isa. Lalo na pag may sakit ang ulo at tignan. Ang galing mo talaga. Sigurado ako sa galing. Sigurado ako sa alaga. Galing mo, ma.
Ang galing ng alagang Biogensin. Trusted quality healthcare. Unilab yan.
Guys! Magbibili na pagkakos sa mga inasal. Ay, may nangyari sa mga inasal. Oo!
Work pa ko host. Oy, maoli lang background ra. Okay,
Be confident in you.
Sabado pa lang.
Fragrance na tumatagal.
Sabado pa lang tambay should ko bomba. Okay, sige. Sige ra, oy, sige. Thank you, thank you. Walay problema.
Like caramel ng West Virginia. Tuloy sa sarap ng iyong coffee at yung caramel. Sweet naman, sweet naman, sweet naman. New great taste white caramel.
I'll just be on LS for 1 hour.
Showtime, game na! Kahit mahangin, o kahit galaw-galaw mo, mabong panalo sa Sunsilk with 5-hour perfume for 5 times smoother and safer care. Panalo sa Sunsilk EPM Sunsilk.
Ang payaman ng bayan sa mga nagsusumikap para mabigyan ng sustansya ang buong bansa. May puso, ano? Nasa Chokes to Go. Puso para sa Pilipinas. Mula sa manok ng bayan.
Sean Smith. I'm watching TV right now. It's called I Want.
complete meals. Yum burger with rice and drink, 75 na lang. Sabi spaghetti with drink, 55 na lang. Sabi spaghetti with yum burger and drink, 89 na lang. Complete meal. Saturdays with complete meals. 6 a.m. na lang, change 6 p.m.
Okay.
Since I tried Enervon Active, now I wake up active. More than multivitamins, it has ginseng and melatonin too. Wake up active. Enervon Active.
Ate Mel Olapo is here. Vicky Mazita says hi. Yes. Hello. I love this live stream. Thank you from BK Monzito. Ayun. Loading na naman. No, we now have 14 likes. Thank you sa 14 thumbs ups. Nice, nice, nice. Yes. Tama si BK Monzito. Nice, nice, nice talaga. Magwa 1 hour na rin yung LS natin. So, baka kailangan ko nang i-end ang ating live stream. Wala na rin namang pumapasok. Hello again everyone from BK Monzito. Na may mag-LS ba next sa akin? Para masuportahan ko. Taas nyo lang yung kamay ninyo. At nang mapuntahan ko rin yung inyong tahanan. Wow TV. Wow TV. Sa likod. Oo, TV yan. TV. Kikita na ako ngayon sa TV. Hello everyone from BK Monzito. Who's gonna be on live streaming next? I'm gonna go to your channel. Just give me a heads up. wants to go next? Thank you sa ating 5. Apat pala. 4 na patuloy na sumusuporta sa ating LS. Tomorrow I'm gonna do spring cleaning. Nililinis ako kasi holiday bukas. So I'm gonna do it tomorrow. Ayun, nililinis dito sa sa bahay. Ayun. Pwede pala yun. May nakita ako dito. Ang galing. It's very good. Ano yun? Scary. Guys, matutulog na ako, men. Mga naririnig na ako sa labas. And it's scaring me. So, ayun na nga. Since wala na namang bagong pumapasok sa ating live stream, wala nang bagong topic, i-end lang natin to na madalian lang. So, thank you sa 5 nasa background lang. Hindi ko na kayo iisa-isahin kasi hindi ko alam kung sino kayo. Yung nandyan sa background. Thank you for coming sa aking live stream. It's just like a 1 hour live stream. I hope na marami din kayong nabingwit na isda sa aking LS. And thank you so much for coming by. So, bye.